Hey, I'm Tooni Apa, and today we're making something that smells so good. A scented candle. Here's what you'll need. Soy wax, a glass jar, a candle wick, yummy smelling fragrant oil, colored chips, a stick, and a cute ribbon. That's all we need. Let's melt the soy wax nice and slow. Now quickly add your color chips and fragrance. Mix. Stick the wick right in the middle of your jar, like a candle's little heartbeat. Time to pour our warm wax into the jar. Slowly tie a cute ribbon around the jar. Boom! It's looking gorgeous. Let's give it a sniff. Sweet, soft, and handmade with love. You did it! Your very own first DIY scented candle.